how to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. So if you want to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search, then just start the video. If you search for someone on Snapchat and add them directly, then it will notify them with added by search. But if you don't want that to show up, then here's how you can do it differently. First, you need to open up your Snapchat and use the search bar to look up to the person you want to add. So I'll just simply go with search, which will be on the top, and search for the person. Now once you've searched, you need to tap on that person's ID. Once you find the profile, just don't add them directly from the search results. Instead, tap on their name and open their profile. After that, tap on the top right corner of their profile, which has that 3 dots, and you can go with send profile to, or just go with share, which is on the top right, and share that profile. Like for example, I'll share that to myself. You need to enter your name and send it to yourself. You can send chats or snaps to yourself on Snapchat, right? You know that. So you just need to simply go and share that to yourself. And once you've shared, you need to open the chat. And as you can see now, you will have the add button. So now if you tap on add, then it won't notify the other person that you have added them by search. So when you do this way, the notification you receive won't say added by search, or sometimes it won't have any tag at all. It's just blank. In this way, you'll be able to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.